Hi, I'm Jimmy Williams. I'm a licensed bodyworks and massage therapist here at Greensboro Neuromuscular Therapy. I'm going to do a series of videos explaining the functions and the dysfunctions of muscles and some of the postural distortions that come about. Today I'd like to talk about how muscles work, and the way I'm going to do that is I brought in some straws which represent muscle fibers. A single straw is a single muscle fiber. And the way muscle fibers work, it is an all or nothing principle, which means it is either flexed or unflexed. So there's no in between. So this represents one single fiber of muscle, and it's typically about the size of a human hair. So I've wrapped this muscle fiber with some saran wrap, and the saran wrap represents fascia. Specifically, it is endomysium fossa. The second group of fibers that I've wrapped represent the bundle of muscles that are wrapped by perimysium, and the single fiber would be in here. The third group would be all of them wrapped together, which would be wrapped with fossa, or the epimysium fossa. And with the all or nothing principle, it is very important for a single fiber to move freely within the muscle. That's why your brain sends signals to these muscles that flex them. That's why if you were thinking, say, you were going to lift a bucket and you were thinking the bucket was full when in fact it was empty, you would jerk the bucket up instead of just lifting it slowly. Not only do you have active muscles, you have opposing muscles which kind of restrict the flow of the muscle a little bit. So it's very important for the muscle fibers to move independently and flow smoothly. And as a massage therapist, we work to get these fibers to flow freely during different types of procedures or therapies. Okay, typically the impingements which restrict muscle movement, muscle fiber movement, or ischemia, which is lack of blood flow to the muscles. We have trigger points, which is impingements in the muscle that transfer or radiate to different parts of the body. We have nerve entrapment and postural distortions. Another thing that could cause muscle dysfunction would be nutritional issues, and of course emotional things that people holding stress trap their muscles in a certain position for long periods. So we work to release that. Okay, this fascia, represented by saran wrap, is a very interesting material. It's a semi-gelatinous material which when it's in a cool state, it is very viscous like this, and it resists these muscle fibers. Because as you warm it up, it's less viscous, and the muscle fibers seems to flow independently. And that's one of the things we do as a neuromuscular therapist, is go deep within the muscle to get the individual fibers to fire and work properly. So we're Greensboro Neuromuscular Therapy. Come by and see us at Northwestern Plaza at the corner of Battleground and Cone. Our phone number is 336-281-2100, and we'll be happy to see you. Thanks for watching.